108 megapixel triple cameras, 50 megapixel selfie camera, 4K 60 FPS video recording, 6.78-inch curved AMOLED 10-bit screen, 144Hz refresh rate, Dimensity 8020 processor, 21GB RAM. All these are what makes Infinix's latest smartphone its most exciting flagship yet. From Techweez, I'm George Kamau with a first look review of the Infinix Zero 35G. Let's take it and go. I'm going to jump ahead and talk about the new and upgraded cameras which I have loved using for the past few days. As I mentioned, the phone comes with a 108 megapixel primary camera with object image stabilization, a 13 megapixel ultra wide and a 2 megapixel macro. We also have a 50 megapixel selfie camera. Infinix has now joined the big leagues as all the cameras, including the front facing camera, can now shoot 4K 60 FPS video. So if you're a content creator who loves vlogging, then the Infinix Zero 35G should be your top choice camera smartphone. Besides normal video modes, you get cinema-style vlog templates with themes ranging from sport, street, family, vintage, travel and more. I posted a short vlog on our Instagram and TikTok, linked above and in the description box below. Not only did the Infinix Zero 35G nail it in terms of photos, but videos as well. Short vertical video format has been the trend on social media, and Infinix is now catering to young consumers with the new 50 megapixel selfie camera which shoots high quality 4K video straight up from the selfie camera, so you can post on TikTok and Reels and YouTube Shorts. The photography and videography performance make the Zero 35G the company's most improved smartphone, and it can now compete comfortably with its rivals. Infinix didn't slack off on other parts of the Zero 35G. It comes with a slim profile with a premium grade design. It now has a glass back which has been protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. This protection includes the display as well. My unit has an eco leather back and comes in Rome green. It's worth noting that Infinix launched the Infinix Zero 30 series in Venice, Italy. I have really liked this texture on my unit as it's perfect to grip and it's pretty light for 100 use as well. Other color options include golden hour and fantasy purple. The phone also comes with IP53 water and dust resistance. You also get stereo speakers and dual microphones. For biometrics, we get face unlock and an in-display fingerprint reader. Both are really fast and handy for quickly accessing your phone. Coming to the front is a 6.78-inch 10-bit 144Hz curved AMOLED screen with support for HDR10 and brightness of 950 nits. It also sports a 360Hz touch sampling rate. The screen is a joy to use, not only for consuming multimedia content thanks to its clarity, sharpness and brightness even outdoors, but also the refresh rate which makes scrolling and interacting with the UI really smooth. Gaming is a breeze as well. Talking of performance, we have a Dimensity 8020 processor coupled with 21GB of RAM and 256GB of onboard storage. The phone comes with Android 13 and XOS 13.1 as well. The software and hardware combine to make the Zero 30 one of the most reliable smartphones. From light use to heavy multitasking, there's nothing the phone won't handle. Powering the phone is a 5000 mAh battery with 68-watt ultra-fast charging. I was getting a full day of mixed use with some charge left for late night binge watching. A quick toss in the charger will have you juice it up to 80% in under 30 minutes. With the Zero 35G, Infinix has gotten serious about its camera-centric ambitions with its flagship lineup thanks to the 4K video recording ability on the main and front-facing camera. The premium grade design, performance and the solid battery life make the Zero 35G a winner in my eyes. Infinix has yet to announce its local pricing, but will update you when they do. Before we end this review, Infinix has launched their Mobile Vlog Awards 2023 and they have invited consumers to participate by submitting their vlog creations taken by the Zero 35G to win prizes, including getting creative support for the winners by Infinix. Details will be linked below. The Infinix Zero 35G is not only a top-tier flagship, but also a camera smartphone. It delivers across the board from design, display, battery life, speakers, raw performance, and most importantly, camera quality. Be sure to check out our in-depth review coming out in a few days.